Hi, my name is Noah, and I'm a first-year statistics major at CSUMB. I grew up in Torrance, California, which is a suburb of LA. I chose to be a statistics major because growing up, statistics was around me at all times. As my mom is a stats teacher and my dad is an engineer, statistics has always almost come naturally for me, and I always knew it would be something that I wanted to work with. I chose to go to CSUMB because as I was growing up, I watched so many of my mom's students and friends of mine choose schools purely based on merit and end up not happy there because they didn't resonate with the school or have an identity there. So I always wanted to make sure I chose a school that I knew was right for me in my future. And when I visited CSUMB, I knew it would be the perfect place for me to spend my next 4 years. Because when I visited CSUMB, I visited Dr. Canner's class. And as I was visiting Dr. Canner's class, I realized how close of a bond she had with all her students in her class, no matter how talkative or quiet they are. And I really wanted that relationship with a professor. And as I come to CSUMB, I've known that to be true, as all my professors are very caring about students. And even if I see some of my friends having issues, the professors also pick up on it and email them or try to help them in any way they possibly can. CSUMB is such a welcoming environment to no matter what type of student you are. And I think that CSUMB will always put their students first, no matter what it is. Whether it's the CLC or offering office hours, I had a comp sci class last semester that had office hours 5 days a week for almost 5 hours a day. And I think that amount of help for knowing that our classes are going to be hard and difficult is so nice to offer to all the students. And I don't think any other college could offer it like CSUMB does. I also think that the research opportunities at CSUMB are second to none, as I got cold emailed by Dr. Kim asking me to help him work with research for a food bank, and it has been such a great experience being able to properly analyze data in the field and not act like I'm just a student here to take classes. And being able to work if I'm in a real world situation is very helpful, as I'm able to learn the proper things I need to be a better stat analysis in the future. And I think along with that, I've also been able to get better opportunities with service learning. When I worked for the Pacific Grove Natural History Museum, I was able to analyze data for them on monarch butterflies. And being able to do this has allowed me to get a better understanding of what I need to do in the future as a career and explore many different career paths that might be right for me. And because of this, I think CSUMB could be the perfect fit for you too. If you come visit the school and you like what you see, I think CSUMB could be a place where you find yourself and hope to see yourself here in the future.